The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, eastern Choctawhatchee Bay, western Choctawhatchee Bay, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 19 nautical miles east of Highway 331 bridge to near Panama City Beach to 17 nautical miles northwest of Mexico Beach, moving west at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include West Choctawhatchee Bay, East Choctawhatchee Bay, Highway 331 bridge and the Mid-Bay Bridge. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: Western Choctawhatchee Bay, Eastern Choctawhatchee Bay, and coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Center of Ida approaching western Cuba.